I'm running to get the 68. Red. Hello party people, hello, how are we all doing? So it's been a couple of weeks since we had a bit of an update, so here we go. Not much has changed in regards to the actual layout and its design. We've glued the old crane in place. We've got a nice new vehicle there. It's a bit old in terms of both when it was made. The lights aren't actually lights, they're sort of plastic. But it's a lovely little old wagon. It fits the intermodal containers from that period nicely. So I'm hoping I can get something a bit more modern, scammier, what have you, for when I do a more modern running session, because I have a plan over this side of the layout. Things have had a little bit of an update. We've got this old Hornby depot building, which I've just weathered slightly, just to give it a bit of a look. That's obviously prototypically probably a bit too close to the entrance, but we shall overlook it. I think it goes really well. I've put some scenery inside there, some bits and pieces. And you can just see the gronk at the back there, tucked away. A little bit of scenery going on. So it's looking really nice. I'm really pleased with that now. Yeah. Bit more detail to come, bit more weeds, overgrowth, as you see, which is very common in depots and what have you. This chap has spun round. He's now filling up this side instead of this side. There we are. These came with the depot. They're a little bit crude. I've not yet found a use for them, because I don't think I need to have a fuel point there and there and there and there and there. So I'm not too sure what to do with these. This lane, or this road, should I say, in design aspects sense, is to keep spare wagons and spare tankers for the refueling point, which of course would then feed the fueling points over here, here and here as well. So, can't have one there. Already got one there. I might put it in there, I'm not sure. Who knows? Answers on a postcard. What should I do with it? Because I've actually got 2 of them. If you want them, let me know in the comments. Give me a very good reason as to why you should have them, and you can have them. Yeah, with the postage being your only commitment. Okay, so let's have a look at what I've got planned. I've had a bit of time off recently, just to take stock of the situation in regards to the hobby, where it's at, where I'm at personally, how the channel's doing in terms of views and subscribers. Hit a bit of a low point a few weeks ago. Subscribers started to drop off, view time started to drop off, and so I left it for a couple of weeks, had a couple of weeks off, and I found that the first video I uploaded within 2 weeks, running session, has done pretty well. In the sense that any of my videos do well, but I now have a plan. I believe, after a little bit of jiggery pokery, this space here, which did have a TV there, TV's now down there, did have a TV, is now spare and vacant. And after a bit of tidying up, I'm considering putting a point there and extending it, and I will have about 4 foot of space by about 2 foot, so 2 by 4 of space, and I'm just deciding what I should put there. Now, I don't want another depot. I'm happy with the small little light maintenance depot, stabling point, whatever you want to call it, that's fine. But I'm thinking of some sort of multiple use terminal where more modern traction can come. Container base and whatever, similar to the East Midlands Gateway, but rather than just containers, we could have things like, I don't know, logs, for example, being unloaded as well, just to give a bit more operational interest to the layout. Let me know what you think, folks. Answers on the postcard down below. And that's it for the update this week. I may do a running session for next week. Let me know if that's something you want to see. If you want to see a running session, whatever. What locals do you want to see running? Do you want to see the 37s, the Peak, the 66? What do you want to pull? Let me know. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me rant on and rumble and rumble and rumble. Let me know what I think I should do in regards to this extra bit of space, this potential 4x2 extension. Cheers now. Bye-bye. Oh, and I hope you enjoyed the captures at the beginning of this video. Cheers now.